TikTok just rolled out the most powerful tool for ads. They basically designed this AI tool to give marketers and creators of ads to get an edge in the marketplace, and it's going to let you write scripts for creatives completely all by itself, give you generated ideas for ad creatives and different angles for them, as well as give you insights to the potential target audience of the products which you're trying to sell. And I've not heard anyone talk about this on YouTube. This might just be the game changer we've all been waiting for, so hopefully this should actually help my subscribers who are actually marketing mainly on TikTok ads for e-commerce, because this tool is really going to change the game for you. Like I say, nobody's been talking about this on YouTube, so you're getting this information right here first. Let's get into it. So this is the TikTok Creative Center, and it looks like something out of ChatGPT now, because they've released some AI tools, which they've been kind of low-key about. You may have heard about them if you're on the email list, which I believe is how I found out about them. But all you have to do is go on TikTok's Creative Center. This is a great resource for tools to actually make ads and research the market. And there's now this tool, they've basically called it Symphony. It used to be called, I think, Copilot. You can ask it questions just like an AI LLM model, right? So it can generate creative reports, provide TikTok insights, write TikTok ad scripts, or brainstorm TikTok creative ideas. So it's basically just giving you that whole personal assistant, creative asset manager vibe, basically without hiring anyone. It's just really cool. And also, it's going to help you with what's hot on TikTok. It's going to give you examples of top ads. It's going to give you creative guidance. And I presume it's hooked into TikTok's platform to give you the real data-driven insights. So if we scroll down, it's basically AI-powered creative tools to help you create TikTok-fit content. Now, of course, on the Creative Center, most people usually use this to actually learn from top-performing ads. You can also share your ads on the Creative Center. I never share my ads because I don't want people to rip my products. It's always been a great resource to have a look at like trending topics and hashtags, songs, what creators are popping off and what TikTok videos are doing well. And it's just generally been a good place for not only creators themselves, but also for brands like you or I, or people just marketing for e-commerce and dropshipping. They also have a video editor you can use, video templates, some really good tools on here, but we're looking at Symphony AI. So you can see creative tools at the top. Here's how we can access tools, tools overview, Symphony Assistant, video generator, TikTok Symphony, script generator, and the commercial music library. You can also have a look at trends, which we won't be looking over today, and also the inspiration section. So you can have a look at these when you do market research, but we're taking a look at the new creative tools. There's also video templates, so I could click on e-commerce here, and we could open up the video templates, and it'll give me some video templates that I can use for ads. So just like Canva, where you have those video ad templates, I could actually use this to generate some ads. So let's say I was selling some clothing products like this dress. I could click on this template, simply open it up, and it will load assets on the left hand side, and then the template itself. So when you go on the Symphony AI Assistant, it has the exact same kind of interface which we see on ChatGPT. They've used the same UI. So we can provide a creative analysis report, prepare a TikTok creative report about lipstick. Let's just click the examples and then it will generate as the output. Now you do have to actually log in to use this. So when you've logged in with your TikTok account or your Google account, you can basically generate things. So it's generated a creative report about lipstick. So this is basically a brief outline of what your project could include. So this is like before you actually create that ad creative. This report is basically like an idea or concept, right? So the overview it's given us is we're going to start with a brief description of the lipstick, its unique selling points and the target audience. We're going to do trend analysis. So we need to identify current TikTok trends that could be leveraged to promote this lipstick. This could include popular music, dance challenges, or viral content themes. So this is designed around TikTok as a platform for the marketing. So it's not giving us generic information, it's actually giving us TikTok specific help. Obviously creatives, they all also work on Instagram, right? But you get the point. We're going to need to brainstorm a few creative ideas for videos. This could be makeup tutorials, swatch demonstrations, or lifestyle shots of people using the lipstick in various settings. And then we're going to suggest potential TikTok influencers who could help promote this lipstick, and it should be based on their follower count, their engagement rate, and how closely their audience aligns with the target demo. And then recommend a list of relevant and trending hashtags to increase the visibility of the lipstick on TikTok. So on the search engine, search and discovery, people finding our video. And then we're going to end with a clear call to action to ask the viewers to try the lipstick, follow the brand's account, or a challenge that could be tied to it to make it go more viral. And it tells us we need to create engaging, authentic content which resonates with the community. And then it'll say, do you want to proceed with this outline? Then we just say, yes, proceed. And basically what it will then do is it'll think, and then it'll give us the actual insight itself. So now it's going to give us the actual creative report. So first it tells you what it's going to cover, and then it gives you the report. And you can see see currently it says TikTok is buzzing with makeup transformation videos. So it's actually modeling this on current insights. So our product's going to be a vibrant, long-lasting formula that comes in a range of stunning shades. The target audience is beauty enthusiasts who enjoy experimenting with different lip colours and are active on social media. There's DIY beauty hacks, product reviews, and makeup transformations, which are buzzing right now. If we leverage these trends, we can create engaging content that showcases the transformative power of the lipstick and its staying power, so the long-lasting power of the product. So we basically utilize before and after videos which show the impact of the product on a bare face, so maybe a lady's face before they use makeup and when they use the product afterwards. And we could also initiate a challenge where users show their favorite shade and how they style it for different occasions or events. And then we'll collaborate with influencers. Now these influencers it's given us, this kind of sucks because I don't think these are actually real. I think it's given us like generic handles which aren't real people, but it's giving you an example. So we're going to collaborate with them based on their following and engagement rate, and we need to kind of look at audiences which are younger women because they're the target consumers of the product. And then there's some trending hashtags here we can use to increase the visibility, and then we're going to do a call to action as I mentioned before. We can also say show me what's trending on TikTok, and yet again Symphony, the Copilot, is going to have a look at the latest trends and it's going to index these from TikTok's creative center, right? Football clubs is trending right now. So various teams like AC Milan, Sporting, Corinthians and Palmeiras, similar related hashtags. The most used music in this niche is DJ Aftershock Reborn, and we can click that and it will actually open it in the TikTok Creative Center and we can have a look at videos which actually have that song in. So that's actually really useful. Then we can have a look at the music artists. So right now a music artist is also trending and it shows us most used music in here. It shows us that the rapper Kodak Black's trending and Kai Cenat's trending. Hashtags Cartoon Network is trending, gift guides obviously for Christmas, and college basketball. Now gift guides is interesting because Christmas is on the come up, so we want to see what are people looking for. We're already getting people using Christmas music and it's only just started 5th to 6th of November, which is pretty crazy. But if you know about Europe, they start celebrating Christmas a little bit earlier than some other Western countries. In November, in Austria and Germany, they start the Christmas markets very early. So a lot of European countries do actually start celebrating early. It talks about gift guides and it's talking about the lead up to Christmas, Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Those 2 days of this month, and then Christmas is obviously next month, so big holidays. Then it says Turn My Swag On by Soulja Boy and Christmas by Michael Bublé, and the most popular songs in these videos, and here's the most popular hashtag. Then you can say give me creative ideas based on what's actually trending. So then we can ask it, what can we do based on these trends? So then it says, before I can assist you with this ideation, could you please provide me with details about the products you're selling? So then we could say clothing. Let's just say we're selling in a really broad niche like clothing, right? And then it's going to say, look, we can use the fashion influencer tag to showcase the latest trends. And then it's going to give us a script for a fashion haul video that we can do. And it also will generate you AI art based on what it thinks you could do for the certain scenes and frames, which is really cool. So we've got different shots. And then you can give these to an influencer to then get them to make it. We could say, show me some TikTok ad examples. So this will also pull them from the trending section, I believe, of the Creative Center. It's going to give us some ads, and these are going to be in the niche which you ask it. So we have some ads here in this clothing niche, and we can analyze the video. So summarize best practices from the above videos. And it's basically going to pull the actual transcript from the videos, and then it's going to talk about why is the hook good, helpful insights into the voiceover and the on-screen text elements. There's going to be a lot of useful information to deduct from this. And then I can say, show me some good products for the Christmas niche for the holiday season right now on TikTok. Let's see if it can pull us some winning product examples. Maybe we can use this as part of our product research. It's Christmas right now, so let's just switch the niche to just more of a generic blanket statement. Let's say we want to look at Christmas niche products. So now what it's going to say is great products that align. So it says cases, screen protectors and stickers. There's a little number next to all of these, so if we click on them, it'll open up that trending topic in TikTok. Then we can have a look at all the performance and audience insights of the niches, as well as related videos. So now we're going to see videos which are advertising screen protectors and tech-based products, and it's going to show us related hashtags. So some of these are film hashtags, some of them are anime, and we can go ahead and open some of them. So I could have a look at some of these other products. You can also see the links down below, and we can have a look at actual trending products. And then I could say give me a list of other useful prompts to use in Symphony, and let's just ask the AI model itself, what other questions can we actually ask you to get a creative response? So it'll give you some inspiration. Now, the response is thinking I'm talking about prompts for the advertising strategy, but then it'll give me some suggestions down here. So we could click on write some attention grabbers for my ad. By attention grabbers, it usually means the hook. So to create the best possible content, give me more details about the product again. So we're going to say the product is an astronaut projector. Everyone knows that winning product, so I'm just going to say that. So we'll ask it to generate some attention grabbers for the astronaut projector. And you guys can take notes because you could probably try and sell this for Christmas, right? Some of these angles might actually work. Let's see what TikTok suggests. So it'll give us a script with a thought starter. So a space enthusiast creator shares their excitement about this projector, highlights how it transforms their room into a celestial haven. They demonstrate the features, the ability to display a variety of celestial bodies and its soothing astronaut projection, all whilst sharing their personal experiences on how it enhances their relaxation and study time. So we're using that angle of it boosting the mood and helping them with studying. So it's a different angle, right? We're always talking about different angles with e-commerce. Then it's going to give us a hook. So the person's sitting in a dark, dimly lit room. They're looking up in awe at a vibrant projection of the solar system on the ceiling, and then it shows the product beside them. The hook is, have you ever wondered what the universe looks like from space? With the astronaut projector, you can bring the cosmos home. Bring the universe home, the text says. So it's basically giving you the hook, it's giving you the kind of background and setup for the ad, and then it's going to give you the whole script, and it's going to show you some examples. Now, some of these pictures are going to be a little bit more obnoxious and over the top, so nobody's room's going to look like that. They don't have a big window looking out to space, but you get the idea. This can be the actual projection from the product, and then it shows them looking up in awe, and then it shows them in an astronaut suit, which I think is not a very good generated image, but you get it, right? There's so many different awesome possibilities with this. Then we also have a script editor. So this isn't part of the AI tool, but it is actually in the creative tool, so I thought I'd actually show it. Let's say that our script is in the beauty and personal care niche. The product is going to be the magnetic eyelashes, for an example. That was a trending product a while ago. And then we'll just write a basic description. You can snap on and off on the eyelids instead of having glued on fake lashes, for an example. You can also go on advanced settings, so we can enter keywords, make it short or long, and we're just going to generate scripts. I'm not sure if this uses AI. I think it also still uses AI, but this is not part of the Symphony set of tools, but I believe this was on the Creative Center before. And this basically just generates us scripts. So script number 1, say goodbye to glue and hello to easy. Watch how I quickly transform my look with these magnetic lashes. And then it shows we're going to go close up of a woman's face. She's holding a pair of the lashes, ready to apply them. And then the text says no glue or all the glory. So these are actually genuinely good. Like, you're going to have to use some common sense, piece together some of these things yourself and figure out what's good and bad and merge them, maybe utilize them to make your own scripts. Or you could just copy and paste all of these 3 scripts. It even lets you copy them here. We can copy and paste them. And then paste them in Symphony and ask it to merge all 3 together and create a new script. So there's so many possibilities. This is basically doing all the legwork for you. Nowadays, you can be the worst marketer and still make money because AI is basically giving you all the copy and all of the compelling script writing and all the hooks and everything, which is actually pretty crazy, the world that we live in right now, right? And then also there's a video editor. So just briefly cover this. You can upload videos here. You can upload images here. You can go ahead, add music. You just accept the terms. You can upload music. You can have a look at TikTok's music library. So there's like royalty-free music, I believe. Then there's like actual music, tracks with the highest speed, most used tracks. We've got holiday music here. Then we can go on the video templates, which I mentioned earlier. Industry, we'll go to e-commerce again, and then we can just open up a video. And just like Canva, we now have an actual good looking video template for a product. Then we can add the product copy here, product name and description. On the left hand side, we can write the copy. So we can say something like sale ends soon, then the brand name can be trendy clothes. And then we can actually swap these, update from computer to swap the product images so we can feature the actual product we want to sell. Could be in any niche. And then we can preview the video. It says sale ends soon and then trendy clothes, and we can actually put our logo here as well. So many awesome tools on TikTok, okay? We can save money by not paying for Canva or a video editor and just make them through this. They're not going to be as good as actually making your creatives in a software, but they're going to probably convert, and we can use AI to make some crazy generated scripts. So if this video is useful, make sure to click on the link in the description down below. You can join my school community. It'll show you how I generated some crazy revenue this year with e-commerce. Share with you all my private strategies. As you know, I don't sell any courses, but in the community I do share a lot of my knowledge in there, including my ad strategies, what I'm doing right now and the most up-to-date marketing tips. So do join there if you want to know what I'm actually doing in ecom right now. The link will be in the description down below. Also make sure to like and subscribe if this video is useful. I do share all this knowledge for completely free. I'm just doing it to grow the personal brand and hopefully try and get 10k subscribers soon. So do support the channel. We don't really make any money from this YouTube channel. I just want to share as much free value with you guys as possible. So supporting the channel means a lot. Thanks for watching.